What is going on? In today's video we're creating a public view link for your Canva design. Basically what it means is you are creating a link to this Canva design you have created and people can only view it and not edit it. So what we want to do, once you have created a design, you can click on share and down here you can see public view link. Once you click on this, there will be a link generated, and if you click on create public view link, this link will be generated. You can copy the link, and what it does is you can copy it and paste it, and as you can see it's now a view link only, so people can watch your design and maybe comment on it or let you know some improvement points. And yeah, that is how you create a public view link for your Canva design. Cheers guys!